Hello guys, welcome to day one. Day one is all about understanding that why as a tax professional you should understand and learn transfer pricing skill sets in 2024. I'm going to explain that very short in this video. But however, the detailed explanation you'll find below this particular video. So again, go ahead, check your mail, and then in case if you have any queries, there is also a WhatsApp group button for you. You can join that particular group and where we are going to open the query section from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. every day except Saturday, Sunday, so that we can resolve all your queries regarding whatever doubts you have on each and every topic for this particular 9 days. This day one, we are starting with the entire workshop. So first part, we are going to understand that why it is important for a tax professional to acquire transfer pricing skill sets in 2024. Now, guys, you know that now the entire era of rendering tax services has been changed. We are into AI age, that is artificial intelligence. It will replace, not today, but tomorrow, or it has started already replacing the task which can be done by an analyst or an at an execution level, and that is where we are concerned about that. Let me tell you, I bucket services into two parts. First is strategic services, and the other bucket is the compliance or execution services. So this two types of services would be required by any of the MNC or corporate client. Now, what are strategic services? Now, strategic services technically are, where you help the client in defining the strategies and also implementing those strategies. What are the examples of such services? There could be merger acquisitions where you can render buy side or sell side support. There could be valuation in case if they want to value their own business, or probably if they are acquiring some other business or doing demergers, etc. Structuring services, then setting up the intercompany pricing for any setting up a pricing model for any intercompany transaction. So such type of services where you help client on strategic aspects, that are called strategic services. And the other type of services where you can help your client is doing compliances, right? That is undertaking the compliances, monthly or periodical GST, IT returns, audit, etc. So these are the two main areas where you can help client, and where you can earn the money as a tax professional. Why it is important? Because as you might see that with the advent of AI, now AI is also coming into picture. Ultimately, what client will rely for on a chartered accountant or tax professional would be more on strategic part rather than execution part. Vis-a-vis, in execution, if AI comes up, then the fees which you are able to charge to the client for doing any compliance will gradually get reduced. That is where it is important for you to understand that how transfer pricing services are positioned in this particular two buckets. More details you will find below this video. Read out the mail, and in case of your queries, you can ask in WhatsApp group. Thank you. This is Abhishek Bhavsar.